Hello, welcome back. Honest here on DH Creative, and in today's video we are going to learn how to make a business flyer. So let's dive right in. As you can see, I'm in my app drawer now and I'm going to move into my Pixellab. I'll open my Pixellab like so, and there you go. So let me delete this little text right here, and I'm going to change the size of our background artboard we're going to use. So 1280 to 1700. Yeah, like this. Okay, so change the color of the background, the face color. This is the code if you want red one, green 880135. So check. Let's go add some text. So suck traders and investors forum. So in Pixellab, if you click this text here, this T capital letter T and small letter T icon here, it transforms any text to uppercase or lowercase. So I'm just going to hit that and text canvas. So I'm going to change the font to Amaraf bold. I'm going to be using the Amaraf font family. It's ideal to use font family in the design so that you don't mess things up choosing so much fonts to let's test out. So let's add some color to that design, to that text. Okay, this is nice. Now let's add some shapes. Our footer, let's add our footer. Some nice long rectangle. Alright, let's give it the same color as our text so that it will be in harmony. Colors will be in harmony. Okay, now this is good. Video is good. Let's add our shape, another shape, giant square. Giant square is a nice shape. Okay, here we have it. So I'm going to rotate it to minus 18 degrees, like so. Minus 18 degrees, rotate it to minus 18 degrees if you get that. Okay, so now this is how it will look like. We're going to add some texture to this giant square shape. So let me add the city image downloaded from Canva. So I'm going to crop this image a bit so that the sky won't show. So it was for the design. So like this. Yeah, like this. So I'm going to duplicate our footer. And this time rotate it 18% just as we take this image. Minus 18 degrees, sorry. Minus 18 degrees. So that will look uniform. A bit. And let's give it the color of the background. The background color. Yep. This is here. So I'm going to duplicate that particular shape again. And I'm going to bring it behind the footer itself. Okay. This is it. Okay. Let's add a nice text as well to give more detail to the company. So there's a name about latest investment trends. So there you have it. Learn about latest investment trends since the company is on traders and investors forum. So I'm going to still use Amaraf since it's the font family, but this time it will be regular. Amaraf regular plus the white. Yeah, this is balance. So balance. Okay, let's put our logo. There's this font I downloaded from thefonts.com. I will leave a link in the description so that you go check it out. It automatically changes alphabets to animals. Yes, this one is for birds, and I'm going to use the bird logo, the bird icon. So I just typed E there, then I clicked on the font and it gave me a bird icon. Let me show you. There you go. So like so. so that I don't mess things up. Alright, there it is. Okay, so let me put some text or company name. It's called Moray Company. Yep. Where is my Amaraf? Yes, there you are there. Moray Company. I think our logo is a bit loud and stuff. Let's add some shadow. How about that? That's beautiful. Execute our footer once more. So this time the down one we're going to make it a bit more of a darker color. Yeah, like so. Okay. Just adjusting some stuff. Okay, now let's type in some more details. So I'm gonna say cats industry updates. Updates from financial experts. Be inspired. So I'm gonna say the latest trends and forecast. Happy. Be happy. So I'm gonna make that look nice and cool and simple. Simplicity is always a good thing. Design. So let's change the color of that text to black. I think black will look nice in a very bright color as this shade tint of green we have here. So where is our armor ref? Bold. No, let me use regular in this one. Okay, so let's put our contact details. So company contact details. Contact us. I'm gonna put just an imaginary phone number. So please don't call this line. It's not a real company. It's just very classy. So I'm gonna change the color. Oh, let's just leave it white. I think white is nice. Bold. You just adjust some stuff. Text jump it down. Bring it up a bit. Increase the size of it a bit. Since it's our contact info, so we need to increase the size of it so that it will be legible. Now let's add a little bit of shadow. Reduce the radius. Alright, like so. So there you have it. There you have it. This is our business flyer looks like. You can't even use it as the cover page for brochures. But we remove the contact details and stuff. So this is all we have for today. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and drop a comment in the comment box for what you've learned. If you learned any new stuff, let me know in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button somewhere down below. Check the links out in the description. I know the subscribe button is somewhere down below. Just check and hit subscribe. My channel needs it. This will help me get great content for you through the comments as well. And this is all we have for today.